This is mine.
Hello and welcome to another film from Beyond That Blue Door, and we thought we'd do a different film this time and talk about what's coming up in 2026 for us because
A couple of things have happened.
yeah, a couple of things have happened that have changed. They haven't changed for me, just so you know. I run my own business and I intend to continue running it, and I'm still at this moment in time 59 years old. I have no intention of retiring. However, for Steve, things are different. Things have changed.
Yes.
From November, you are now officially...
No, they still pay me till January the 6th.
Yeah, but this film will go out after January the 6th.
Oh, well, in which case, I shall be retired.
Yes. Yeah. But I know Steve, he'll keep himself busy. He'll do other things. Maybe do a little bit of work for me over time. Video work, who
Already
knows?
have.
Yeah. But on the other hand, he's retired from his 24 years, actually more than 30 years in telecoms.
Oh, yeah, I know.
Yeah. It all happened around very suddenly, but it suits us that Steve has retired. And and therefore, if he wants to pop off in the caravan for a long weekend paddleboarding or something and I don't want to go, he can now. So that's a big change for us as a family, a sort of period of adjustment. But also there's another big thing, the change of age. Just before Christmas, Steve was
60.
Yeah, he was 60, and later this year I will be 60 because there's only a few months between us, but I make the most of it being a different year, believe me.
Oh, no.
Yeah. Yes, we will be going away in the caravan this year, but we've got a big trip coming up.
We have.
Yeah. So we are going away, and we've always planned this, not in this caravan.
No.
Because we are going touring in an RV from April to June.
Yes.
And we are going on a touring holiday for our joint 60th, aren't we?
Now, we both have a degree of what it is we're going to achieve, but I am going to be saying from the beginning, so we're going to fly to Chicago, jump on the old Route 66 and go all the way down to Los Angeles.
Yeah. And we think there are about 20 stops on the way, isn't it?
20, well, yeah.
About 20 stops.
20 stops.
In an RV, an American RV.
American big A-class RV. I have no idea what one is. Well, I do now, but I didn't. I now know what. Yes, interesting.
Yeah.
Looking forward to it, though.
We are looking forward to it. We're not sure when we come back whether we'll have had enough of caravan for the rest of our lives or whether we'll still continue to love it. We just don't, because we've never done anything for the 3 to 4 weeks we'll be doing that.
Yes.
Stopping regularly and learning how to use more of a motorhome setup than a caravan setup.
Yeah, and you can't take the car off and go somewhere, so you're kind of stuck with the sites you're on if they're too far away from towns, or if there's no local transport and stuff, you're kind of stuck there. But hey, we'll see what it is, and you're more than welcome to come with us. Yes,
you will come with us, and we're going to share stuff, and I'm going to whilst we're filming, I'm going to be writing about it, and depending what we write and how I write about it, I might do a book about it.
Ooh.
But that wouldn't come out until say 2027, 2028. But we're going to do that, and we're not just doing that. We're going to Los Angeles, and then we're driving from Los Angeles up to San Francisco. That's in a car, staying in hotels, aren't we? So we're doing a mix
on the Route 1.
Yeah.
Which is supposed to be the all-seen, all-dance one. So we'll see. We'll see that.
Then we're staying in San Francisco for a few days. We're meeting up with John, who's a journalist friend of ours, who lives in San Francisco. So we're meeting up with him.
Yeah.
And then
shows all the sights.
Yeah. And to be shown the sights by someone who lives there, John,
that'd be easier.
Up to the point you'll see the film, John has never travelled outside of the USA. He's coming to the UK later in 2026 for an event, isn't he?
Yeah.
He's bought his first passport. But to have someone with local knowledge share their favourite places in their city, the city where they were born and brought up, what a luxury that is for us. It's great.
Yeah, it should be.
Yeah. And then I'm trying to remember, we are flying from San Francisco to Vancouver.
Yes.
Cool.
For 5 nights.
Yeah.
go and have a look around all that. Should be amazing.
Yeah.
And then we're leaping onto the train.
This is
the
my
trip.
bit.
Go on.
The Rocky Mountaineer train taking us across Canada, one of the glass top trains. And there are so many nights on the train,
Yeah.
and so many stops in hotels, aren't
Yeah,
there?
yeah.
And we're doing that for a couple of weeks, I think. Is it a couple of weeks?
No, it was 8 nights on the Rocky Mountaineer. Then we get on a normal train.
Coach or
No, it's a train. It's another local train that ends in Toronto.
Yeah.
So we're doing that as well.
And we're ending in Toronto, where we'll do the touristy things like Niagara Falls. Yeah.
And then flying
home. Yeah.
after 2 months.
Yeah. So really exciting for us. And our plans in the caravan, we've yet to decide what we're going to do in February. Maybe something local, we thought, didn't we? Localish. One of our favourite sites.
Local,
we will be going somewhere in February. And we're thinking we'll do a week in Cromer.
Yes.
Aren't we?
Yeah.
For the summer. So our summer holidays in the caravan this year, because of our overseas travel, will be in the UK. So probably going to do a week in the Cromer area.
And
a week
begins
in
with a T.
Totnes?
Totnes?
Is it Totnes or
No.
Tenby?
Tenby.
Tenby. We're going to do a week in the Tenby area, sort of over in Wales, West Wales. And other
And then we'll
places
see
to
where we
around,
are the
see
back
where
end
we
goes,
are.
but,
We
yeah.
are thinking of possibly going to Derbyshire. Where we can catch up with an old friend of mine, and we haven't been to Derbyshire before, so we're thinking of doing that. So all to play for, really.
There's a lot going on. 2026 is looking good. And then retiring and then getting a Brucey bonus in terms of extra, dosh from the company, who didn't know I was planning on leaving. But anyway, did. And then, we got America and Canada coming up.
Yeah, and and Steve might do little trips away on his own, which is perfectly fine.
Yeah.
So those trips might pop up. And I'm sure that you'll do some gadgety type films, which always seem to do really well,
Yes,
don't they?
yes.
Throughout the year. So more stories coming from us. Just so you know, not all of them will be caravanning in the UK. But I hope you'll come on some of those journeys with us. Yeah?
Cool.
So anyway, thank you very much. So please like,
Subscribe.
and hit the little bell.